Hello and welcome to JB Tech. Today we're showing off a cleaning of this PC that had overheating issues, and as you can see it was smoked around, we believe cigars, and you can see this crazy buildup of oils and just dust that is all over this PC. The vents around the outside were just completely covered in garbage and dust. All the mesh was just completely gummed up. This cleaning can wasn't exactly enough, but once we had blown the small stuff out, we kind of tried to pick out whatever we could. This computer stunk. It was covered in a little bit of oil and just all this dust. The power supply, the inside of the power supply probably was not holding up too well, and I wouldn't be surprised if it was on its last legs right now, but this thing just stunk so bad. Here's another shot of the oil buildup that we couldn't blow off. We'd have to scrub this all out. It was disgusting. The inside of the computer was just caked in this stuff. You can see here that every single nook and cranny was just coated in this oil. Even on our front I/O here, all the ports had a little bit of oil built up on the plastic, and every part of it just stunk as we take it off. Here's another shot of us peeling back some more of the plastic. I can positively say I've never had to scrub a PC case with water and a sponge and Mr. Clean, but we had to take everything out and give all of the panels a scrub down because they all had the yellow tinge, and this would be the only way we could get the smell out, was if we got rid of all of the oil. On the inside of the case, you can see more of this discoloration everywhere. All of the metal, everything was covered. We hope you enjoyed our short little PSA about why you shouldn't smoke or vape around your computer. It can cause a buildup of oils and dust and stuff that will lead to other issues such as overheating. And make sure you open your PC up every once in a while and clean it. This concludes our video for today. If you made it to the end, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing and stay tuned for future uploads.